Hello, marketer. To start earning money as an online affiliate, you have to choose a good converting offer, create a funnel, and run traffic. These are the three most important steps you have to take to make money. The one-page funnel 3.0 system skips two steps. You are not required to create a funnel, nor are you required to choose offers, as that has already been done for you. TE is one-time $7 system is 100% ready-made. Everything is plugged in. You just need to grab your affiliate link for the one-page funnel 3.0 opt-in page to send traffic. Every visitor who comes to your affiliate link is permanently tagged to you, so whatever they buy in the future, you will earn 50% commissions. There is also an option to boost your commissions to 70% and to earn on second-tier referrals. The system uses lifetime cookies, so even if your visitor buys anything in the future, you qualify to earn a commission. You will promote the exact same one-page funnel 3.0 system to bring people in, and then our system will start following up with your leads and promotes multiple low to high-ticket offers to them automatically for a lifetime. Our team will reach out to your qualified leads and close sales for you. There is no tech work required on your end. You just need to focus on driving traffic to your funnel link. The rest is done by us. That's why our system is the easiest system ever to make money online. This is the first system where you are not required to set up anything. Click below and activate this new $7 commission machine. This is your breakthrough in making commissions online.